Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the MS Word series, and in this video we'll learn how we can password protect our document. Now currently if you go and see, this document is not password protected and I can directly double click and the document will open. But I want to protect it so that no other person can open the document. So how I can do it? You can go to files and then you can go to info and you can go to protect documents and encrypt with password, and now I can write the password and I can click OK, and then I can again and then OK. Now this document is password protected. Now if I go and close this document and when I open it, it will ask me for the password. If I don't have password, it will not open. So you need to have the password. So I click and then I write the password and then the document will open. So in this way you can protect your document. Before sharing, you can password protect your document and then you can share. Suppose if you want to remove the password protection, you can go to file and then info and then password protect encrypt, and then you can remove this password. Click OK, and now this document is not password protected. If you close it, save, and now if you double click it, it will open. So now it's not password protected. So in this way you can password protect your document and you can remove also. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.